Talk to me.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. I am lachelletrends and we are jumping straight into this video. Today we are doing a drawstring ponytail with 2 bangs. The ponytail is from Samsbeauty. The brand is Instaglitz. The style is natural yaki 24 inches. Color is 1B and it is safe up to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the ponytail. It's really pretty, really thick. You can run your fingers straight through it and the ends of the hair is very nice. So I'm starting off with fresh blow dried hair, and I did straighten it as well. Then I'm going to go ahead and begin parting out my 2 bangs. So after I get my bangs parted, I'm then going to twist them up just to get them out of the way, and then I'm going to begin molding my ponytail. So now that I got my ponytail together, I'm going to go in with my Eco Styler gel and my edge control and begin putting that on my hair. I do this part second. Some people do this part first and then put it in to a ponytail, but I mean, it is what it is. Just do whatever you like. This just works best for me, but I do start off by putting my edge control on first. Then afterwards, to mold it and set it in place, I do go in with the Eco Styler gel. Again, this is just what works for me, and just do whatever works for you. So now that our ponytail is in place, I'm going to begin to braid the hair. Now I'm going to take that braid and wrap it around into a bun and then pin it. So now I'm taking that ponytail and putting it into that bun that we just created, leaving about an inch of space in between, and then I'm just going to wrap the ponytail string around. So now I'm taking some braiding hair that I had laying around the house, and I'm going to take a piece out. This piece is for that inch that we left out. So now I'm going to pin up the hair just so it's easier for us to wrap that piece around without getting caught up in the ponytail. After I get it pinned up, I'm going to take that piece of hair and start a little bit towards the end and start wrapping it around. I'm not going to pin it just because pins hurt my head. If you want to pin it, it would make it easier. But if you start at the ends and just wrap it around, it does start getting tighter, and just continue up so you can cover up that inch of space that we left out. So now I'm just taking down the ponytail. It did kind of get tangled just a tad bit, but yeah, I'm just taking down the ponytail. So now for these bangs, I'm just going to go ahead and begin straightening them out. I didn't put any heat protectant on my hair. Shame on me because I normally do, but yeah, I'm just gonna flatten it out. So girl, we are looking really cute, really good, but I did decide that I needed to go in and flatten out my ponytail just because my bangs was given a little silky and the ponytail was just poofy, and I really wanted the texture to match. So yeah, I did straighten out this side, and then I'm just doing a side by side just so you can see the difference. One side is a little bit more silky and then the other side is just, you know. So yeah, you can do however you would like just to match the texture of your hair. If your hair is a little bit more poofy, maybe you don't need to go in with the flat iron, but if it's not and it's like mine and it gets a little bit silky, you will want to go in. And my curling iron is up to 350, and the ponytail itself can withstand 360 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is what the hairstyle turned out looking like, sis and girl. We look so good. Get into it. Get into the close-up. It looks so good. Like, I'm excited about it. The ponytail is super thick. You can run your fingers through it. Again, y'all, it's 24 inches, and girl, I think it looks so good and blends very well with my natural hair. Putting that curling out to that ponytail just made it look 10 times better. Like, I'm not mad at it. I'll have it linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video, sis. Bye.